Sukadeva Goswami telling, Vilokyo Dushitam Krishnam. Vilokyo Dushitam Krishnam. Krishna saw that this Krishna means Jamuna. Vilokyo Dushitam Krishna. Krishna saw that Jamuna became contaminated. We cannot discuss in detail, otherwise temples will close, and now very difficult to go. Very busy traffic. We will take 2 hours to go there to return, and not all exercise allowed. So we can discuss over there when we have more time, but just hints which are important. Why Krishna did this Kaliya pastime? Yes. The Sukadeva Goswami's purpose is telling, Vilokyo Dushitam Krishna. Krishna saw that this Kali Jamuna was contaminated. Dushita means contaminated by Kaliya's poison. And Krishna said, Jamuna came for my service to nourish my pastimes. But my Brajavasis and myself, we are unable to use this. So Kaliya should go. Kaliya should not stay here. That's why Krishna wanted to not kill Kaliya, to subdue Kaliya and to send back to his place, not to stay here. Because it was not original place of Kaliya. Only but due to fear of Garuda he came here. In Mahabharata many big stories are there about behind this. So it will take 2-3 hours to explain all. 2-3 hours one story. Many stories are there. So those are not important. Important is Krishna wanted to purify Jamuna, which was contaminated by Kaliya's poison. And Jamuna manifested from Goloka not to give the residence for Kaliya. Jamuna came here to nourish the pastimes of Krishna, to give pleasure to Krishna and Brajavasi, not to please the Kaliya. But Kaliya was occupying this forcefully. He came here and occupied and thought that my place, this is my place. So Krishna wanted to give teaching to Kaliya that you are forgetting your identity. So you are not here. Your house or home was a different place. You came here and occupied Brajavasi's place, and now you are thinking it belongs to you and not letting my Brajavasi to use this. So Krishna wanted to teach him, get out from here. So he did so many big pastimes here, which is Kaliya Damana Lila, means subduing the Kaliya, not killing. Don't tell kill. Kaliya Daman. Daman means subduing, controlling. Killing means he killed other demons, but he did not kill to Kaliya. So don't tell he killed Kaliya. This is Damana, not Marana. So Krishna told to Kaliya, here the gem which Krishna is using, that gem was donated by Kaliya. The gem Krishna is using, that is donated by Kaliya here in this place, but it is not clear in Bhagavata. Our Goswamis, Vishwanath Chakra Thakur and Sanatana Goswami and Baladev Vidyabhushan, all Goswamis and commentators, they wrote here that the gem Krishna is using in Vrindavan is given by Kaliya, donation. But it was hidden, not public. Kaliya alone, after subduing, he surrendered. Then he worshipped to Krishna. During worship, he gave one gem which Krishna is using. So here Kaliya was ordered to Krishna to leave, and he went back to Ramana island. Ramana. Our AC Bhaktivedanta, Fiji.
This gem, is there any name for this gem?
I think Kaustuva.
Oh, that's the crystal.
Yes. Originally given by Kaliya here. Yes. Kaliya gave here. But it is not clear in Bhagavatam, but commentary is written. Yeah. In Bhagavatam not written detail. In commentary it is written Kaliya worshipped to Krishna. After knowing that Krishna is Supreme Person of Godhead himself, then he repented, then surrendered, and what Krishna ordered he followed. But before that he worshipped and gave the donation. That Kaustuva, which was hidden, no Brajavasi was able to see this, no one. Privately Kaliya did this. Yes. Yes. So, like this, Kaliya left this place. Then Jamuna became purified. Before that, what to speak? Use this place. No animal, bird, beast, Brajavasi, they were coming to nearby. We are sitting here. That time it was very difficult to come here distance also, because that air was also polluted. That air was like poison. So who was breathing then died. So Brajavasis, all animal, bird, they also know no one was coming here. Then Krishna became compassionate. After looking the miserable condition of Kaliya lake, because Brajavasi is property, they are unable to use this. And Jamuna and this place manifested from Golok Vrindavan to help in the pastimes of Krishna. But they were bereft of Krishna's mercy, because Krishna was not coming here. Krishna was not doing pastime here. Brajavasi were not coming due to fear of this poison. So Krishna wanted to tell Kaliya to leave this place. I am going to do my pastimes. What for this Jamuna manifested, what for this land manifested. So let it be useful for Brajavasi. You go to your place. When Krishna ordered, then Kaliya went. Since then, that day onward, then all Brajavasis, they wanted to use here this place. And since then this place became famous, which is called Kaliya Lake. There is some memory there written in the, and the statue also there is in the ground. When we are thinking not water is here, how it is possible? Jamuna is long distance. No, recently few years or last year, when flood was there, it was filled with water. You know? Then if this is possible now, if become men devotee, oh, they are not believing. Sometimes, how this is dry, how Kaliya was staying here? No, you don't think by your mundane senses. It is a aprakrit. So in Prakriti also possible. One last year or 2 years before, when flood, it was filled completely. If now it is possible, why it is impossible during Krishna's time? During Krishna's time, it was lake, not the land. It is filled with Jamuna. Jamuna was here. Kaliya was staying here inside. So Krishna went to the Kodam tree and left, then jumped to Kaliya's hood. And this is a very ancient tree from Krishna's time, more than 5,000 years. More than 5,000 years. Why? Because Garuda brought the nectar pot and put here. So nectar was dropped on the tree. So one touches the nectar, he will not die. So he became immortal. This tree is unique tree. Because the nectar was put by Garuda here, so it became immortal. But other trees disappeared. But this is immortal because due to touch of nectar. So there are many other pastimes which is deeply written in our Goswami scripture and Mahabharata also. But if we stay here, we cannot do darshan.
Maharaj, one last question. Then Kaliya went to Fiji Island. So now the place is completely poisonous there.
Huh? Poison?
Yeah, the water and the air there, is it, at the moment, is it poisonous?
But I did not go to Fiji. You have seen this scene?
I'm asking.
Maybe what kind you do see? I did not go to Fiji. Prabhupada said, I read from Prabhupada, that Kaliya now is in Fiji,
Yes.
Ramananda is Fiji.
And not
But-
poison.
But what is not poison? No poison means when Krishna touched, then his poisonous quality went.
Acha.
Yeah. So possible? No more harmful like before.
Acha.
Yeah. Before when you were touching, everything was poisonous. But after Krishna's punishment to Kaliya, maybe became more pure. So he is no harmful anymore. That is possible by Krishna touch. By Krishna's touch, everything can be possible. So no problem.
Wait, no, he's not still there.
Huh?
He's not still
Yeah.
there. He's still there.
But
Yeah, he's
after
still
that,
there.
no more.
I don't think anyone's seen him.
Huh? No. Yeah. For
There
example,
are actually there are stories in Fiji. There
Maybe
are stories.
because,
Yes.
for example, now Krishna is here, but nobody is able to see. Here Krishna is there till now, but we are unable to see. So, in Dwapar Yuga only people can see Krishna. In Kali Yuga, no Krishna darshan personally, because it is now Aprakota Lila. means disappeared pastime Krishna is doing now here. So we cannot see, but what pastime is going on. So we'll go other place. Okay. बोल कालिया दमन बिहारी भगवान की
Jai.
कालिया की